Ormer, nuclear power electrician, 17 years turning wrenches in the field, and I've seen just about every oil burner configuration known to man. Today we're looking at the System 2000 Frontier and the Buderus G115WS. On paper, they both heat your house, but once you look past the brochures, there are some important differences. Most homeowners think the biggest question is which boiler is more efficient. In my experience, and that's only part of the story, what really matters is what you'll spend owning it over the next 15 or 20 years. The biggest technical difference between these two comes down to how they approach efficiency and heat transfer. The System 2000 Frontier comes in with an 88.6% AFU rating, while the Buderus G115WS sits right at 87%. AFU is a little like your car's miles per gallon rating, meaning it tells you how much of the heating oil you buy actually turns into heat inside your house instead of going up the chimney. So what does that fractional percentage difference mean in real life? Honestly, on a typical heating bill, you won't notice the difference in fuel usage between an 87% and an 88.6% rating. What you will notice is how these units are built. The Buderus uses a classic cast iron heat exchanger design backed by a pro-rated lifetime warranty, and cast iron has earned its reputation in the basement because it takes a beating and lasts for decades if you keep it clean. System 2000 pairs their Frontier setup with a lifetime heat exchanger warranty and a 5-year electrical parts coverage, matching the 5-year electrical warranty on the Buderus. But System 2000 is famous for its integrated energy management system that controls circulator pumps and domestic hot water priority. That manages standby heat loss differently than a traditional cast iron block. Now here is something I see homeowners misunderstand all the time. They look at a warranty length and assume it means maintenance-free operation. It doesn't. Oil-fired equipment demands an annual tune-up. You've got to clean the heat transfer surfaces, replace the nozzle, adjust the combustion, and check the safety controls every single year. Neglect that annual service, and even the best heat exchanger will choke on soot and lose efficiency. When you look at current market equipment pricing online, the standalone Buderus G115WS boiler block runs around $3,000 to $3,500. Adding the required burner and controls bumps, the equipment costs closer to $4,500 to $5,000. Meanwhile, a complete System 2000 Frontier equipment setup, with its integrated energy manager and hot water storage tank, commands a much higher, complete system package price. Full installations typically range from $10,500 to $14,500. Whether that extra upfront investment is worth it depends on whether you value the advanced energy management controls over a traditional straightforward cast iron setup. The Buderus G115WS is probably better for homeowners who want a bulletproof traditional cast iron workhorse that local technicians can service, and parts are easy to source. The System 2000 Frontier is probably better for homeowners who want an integrated system designed to minimize standby loss and manage domestic hot water efficiently right out of the box. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Buderus G115WS because I prefer a straightforward heavy-duty cast iron block where there's less proprietary electronic complexity to worry about 10 years down the road.